Hello viewers, let's fix the problem of ChatGPT not working with simple techniques. Remember, this technique can also be used with other websites due to common in nature. Let me first open browser Edge and let me click ChatGPT, and you can see that it's not working, so let's go fix it. Now click these three dots and come down to settings. Then go to privacy search and services. Now come to the other side and clear browsing data. Now choose what to clear. Remember, cookies and other site data plus cache images and files must be checked. And also select all the times and clear now. Let's check it once again if it's worked, but still the issue exists. Once again go to browser three dots and now come to extensions, then manage extensions, and now turn off all the extensions. Also turn off VPN or proxy, as sometimes it also creates glitch. Now let's check it once again, but it's still not working. Once again, for the third time, let's go and click these three dots of the browser and come down, choose new in private window. Or if you are using Chrome browser, so if I open it and click the Chrome three dots, so the same thing is called new incognito window, and same shortcut Control Shift N can be used. But let's go once again back to the Edge browser. Now it's in private mode, so let's click it, and the AI ChatGPT is working once again. Better you click login or sign up for free. So let me click login. Once again login, provide that and use ChatGPT as assistant. Thanks for watching.